have people asking me if I have this like Salvadorian items, and I'm like, yeah, I do. I do have Salvadorian and some Central American items. We used to sell this in my mom's store, the same exact ones. This is what my mom used to make. This is concentrated. What my mom used to make it from the actual fruit. So my mom used to make it, and we used to eat it before it sold. So my mom used to get mad because we used to eat it prior to her selling it, even though she was making it. I kind of tried to relate that to my son. So I kind of show him things like what I used to do when I was little, and things that grandma used to do and to me, and that she still does for him. So being a first generation American, it's wild. We have all the roots from malanga to batata. We have tamarind from Costa Rica. We have calabaza from Mexico. So you have a variety of produce that is used on a daily basis in a Spanish or an ethnic community. As a store manager working in a family-owned business, I feel that it's very important to treat your associates like family. So here at the store, we treat everybody like family. My culture is we're all together in this. We all gotta take care of everything that we have to take care of, but at the same time providing the customer with the best quality items that we have and the best customer service that we have. At the end of the day, it is ShopRite, and it is owned by Nicero Supermarkets. It's a core. It's a family. So we work for a family-owned business. So we have to keep it as a family in the store. De nuestra familia a la suya, los invito. Vengan. Nuestras puertas siempre están abiertas.